Revelation chapter 21 marks the climax of the biblical narrative, transitioning from the judgment of the old world to the unveiling of a new heaven and a new earth. The chapter begins with the striking disappearance of the sea, often a symbol of chaos and separation in ancient thought, and the descent of the holy city, the New Jerusalem, from heaven. This city is not merely a location but is described as a bride beautifully adorned for her husband, symbolizing a restored and perfected relationship between the divine and humanity. The heart of the passage focuses on the profound shift in the nature of existence, where God's dwelling place is now permanently among his people. A voice from the throne declares that he will wipe away every tear, and that death, mourning, crying, and pain will cease to exist because the old order of things has passed away. This section emphasizes a total renewal of creation, where the Alpha and the Omega makes all things new, offering the water of life freely to the thirsty while promising an inheritance of peace to those who endure. The final portion of the chapter provides a vivid, symbolic description of the New Jerusalem's physical splendor, emphasizing its immense scale and radiant materials. The city is depicted as a perfect cube, constructed of pure gold as clear as glass, with foundations adorned with precious stones and gates made of single pearls. Notably, the city requires no temple, sun, or moon, because the glory of God provides its light. This imagery conveys a state of ultimate security and transparency, where the gates never close and nothing impure can enter, leaving only those whose names are written in the Lamb's Book of Life.